WHAS 11 Weather Impact Forecast is sponsored by Tom Sondergeld Plumbing and West Shore Home.
Well, we have a really wet pattern ahead for us over the next several days. So as we give you a look at our U of L Health Louisville Metro cam, you can see the rain already in the distance that's about to make its way back into the area. Already seeing a few raindrops out there on our camera as well, as we really see just a wet day overall. We're not done with the rain just yet. That's just now rolling in for really the second batch of showers for the day. Temperatures much cooler, already into the lower 70s. Just yesterday, we're in the 80s at this point. So yeah, we're seeing some much cooler conditions for today, and some of those weather headlines, a rainy pattern and likely some thunderstorms to develop as we go throughout your Friday. So kind of give you a 12-hour time lapse of the last 12 hours of what we've seen. A lot more thunderstorms once again into southern Indiana that definitely causing problems. Did see a few of those into Louisville, and now just some general showers that's going to stay light but moderate at times as we go throughout today. So we do have a weather impact alert day. This is mainly for that flooding threat just because we're seeing so much steady rain. That will be in effect until this afternoon. So just have those ways to receive those alerts just in case we do see any flooded roads out there. Our severe outlook, we did see a slight risk just yesterday, but some of our areas still into a marginal, very low risk for severe weather for today, that is. That's not really going to be a problem as that starts to move out of our area. But man, it is really going to be a wet pattern ahead. So to time out that futurecast, we'll see rain all throughout this afternoon, all throughout this evening. That continues until about 7:30 tonight, and we'll start to see those showers eventually move out by, I'd say, about 10 o'clock. So really just a damp, wet day out there. We'll get a break from time to time as we go throughout your Thursday. There'll be some very spotty showers, but then heading back into your Friday, we do have another chance of those rain showers. This is where we'll see those storms possible throughout the morning hours, and then that just really turns into some rain. So back into the weekend, back into your Saturday, looking like some wet days ahead, but we do get some breaks and some much spottier showers on the way for your Sunday. So less rain coverage on the way for Sunday. That will be some dry times, dried at least areas at times for Sunday. But take a look at this. This is really over the next 7 days, how much rain we're at least estimated to see, and it's anywhere from possibly 4 to 5 inches of rainfall. So that's how much we will likely see as we go throughout the next 7 days, but we'll keep an eye on that, especially with that flooding threat that is on the table. The next 5 days does have those rain chances still holding on for your Wednesday. Best chance of rain does roll in for your Friday and the Saturday, and we'll drop that down to only about 40% chance for Sunday, that is. Our 7-day forecast, 70s kind of across the board over the next 4 days. So not as hot or warm anymore. We'll keep those rain chances into the Memorial Day weekend and the unofficial start of summer for Memorial Day, upper 70s, and still holding on to those rain chances by next Tuesday. That's a look at your 7-day forecast. Back over to you, Brooke.